If you didn't feel like cooking dinner and you wind up eating like this, you're a rock star. You didn't feel like cooking tonight, but then you wound up eating like this. Today we're making my ultimate taco bowls, so let's get started. Here's my little cooking tip for you. If you're gonna cook and you're gonna eat, cook once, eat twice. Tonight we're making taco bowls, so I'm making a double batch. That way we're gonna eat the tacos tonight, and then we can take the leftovers, freeze them, and then we have tacos for another night. Cook once, eat twice. That's my cooking tip for you for today. In my pot, we're gonna start off with some extra virgin olive oil, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Then I'm adding in my ground beef, and we're gonna start breaking that up and letting it brown and get fully cooked. Now we're using a lot of ground beef here, so it gave off a lot of liquid. So let me show you how I get rid of that liquid without dirtying another dish. I take a roll of paper towels and a pair of tongs, and I just begin sopping up either the liquid or the excess oil. Now once you've gotten rid of all of the liquid and the oil out of your pan, you can just take the paper towel, discard it, and throw it away. And you didn't dirty another dish like a colander. Now that our taco meat is all browned, I'm gonna add in a half a cup of water and about 2 tablespoons of my taco seasoning mix. And then we're just gonna stir this up, and then we're gonna let it simmer just until it thickens up and all the flavors meld together. While our taco meat is finishing up and it's just over there sizzling and on low, simmering just so all the taco flavors can meld together, we're gonna start the bowl portion of our taco bowls. So I use already prepared taco shell bowls. I buy these in Walmart. You can get them on Amazon. You can even if you have a Mexican restaurant near you, you can go in there and ask them for just the bowls, and they'll sell you just the bowls. So I'm just gonna get them out of the package. So you're just gonna separate them and put them on your baking sheet. It's okay if one breaks. And you're just gonna follow the package instructions. So for these taco bowls, you put them in a 350-degree oven for 5 to 7 minutes or until they're golden brown. So let's pop them in the oven. While that's happening, let's get the rest of our ingredients ready for our taco bowls. So on the bottom layer of my taco bowls, I'm using leftover rice. Okay, our taco bowls are ready to be assembled, so let me show you how I do it. And our taco bowls are complete. Let's give her a taste. Ready? Listen to the crunch. Get a good bite of everything. If you didn't feel like cooking dinner and you wind up eating like this, you're a rock star. If you want the recipe to my taco bowls, just comment the word recipe in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to send it to your DM.